Good morning, Earth Science. Better than Vietnam. All right. So thank you, Miss Pat Ray, for taking the class. And thank you, class, for being here faithfully. So I am on your Earth Science class right now. So when you open up your Earth Science tab, go ahead and go to classwork, and you'll see, other than on the announcement, this advertisement here for today's lesson. Scroll down to geology. So we are out of the atmosphere and space, and now we are into all things Earth. And we have two assignments today. Not going to be a very difficult day. Go slow, no pressure, learn well. All right. So by this time, you've done the do now, possibly. Maybe not. That's fine. But your do now, you should have an Earth with a little cutaway angle. And you have the layer. There should be about 4 layers, maybe 5 layers. The core, the liquid mantle, outer mantle, and crust. Anyway, so you got the basics there. And that's the point of today, is Earth's layers and interior. So the first one you click on is right here, Earth's interior. Take a few moments to read slowly through Earth's interior. How do we know about our Earth? And the methods for space. We have telescopes and satellites and radio signals and all kinds of equipment to detect what's in space. So how do we do what's here on Earth? Earth is a pretty thick structure, and we have not got even a third of the way through its crust. So how do we know what's down there? Well, things called seismic waves. So this is a little bit about the equipment and how we know what our Earth is made of from those layers that you drew. Meteorites, density, magnetic field. So what I would do is read for pleasure and then kind of write the summary down in your notes and then answer these 3 questions in the review. Once you've written those 3 questions, then the class can pause and watch a short 2-minute video that will explain those things you've just read. You do not have to do these 5 questions. After that, you can go back to Google Class, click on Density is Destiny. And there you go. So you have the same kind of drawing from previously and you do now, but you can add to it now a little detail, such as the asthenosphere or the lithosphere. There's your 2 $20 words you can take home today. So it's another short reading, but again, read for pleasure.
Garage door.
And then watch this 5-minute video, which might take 10 minutes if you pause it from time to time, because I do want you to write the answer to these 5 questions right here after the video or while you take the video, watch the video. Okay, pretty short day. Now, some of you might be a day of mourning. You were waiting to find out how you did on that test. I'm sorry. The grades are posted, but you may use any remaining time you might have to look over the astronomy unit, revisit it. You do have the notes, summary, seasons, and things that have previously been up there that you can use to review for a retest if you'd like to do that afterwards. So that's it. These 2 items right here. And do your doggone best. And you may use colored pencils. That's always fun. Have a nice day. We'll see you soon. Thanks again, Miss Pat.